Right here is just a walk around. We're kind of crowded down here, so I ain't got much room to show you here. Go ahead and get this head up. There we go. Alright. That surface resting under the hood, it's not eat up or anything. You see the side pipes now, they're not hooked up right now. Steel's out the back. And the top and the stripe are a metal flake green. About like the same paint you find on a boat. Let me get the trunk open here. Okay, right there, you see that. As you're done the design, so, go ahead and crank it up for you here. This is the first time it's been started today. The glove box is still in it, you can see there. And it is a radio delete card, like I said. Front seat does need recovered. We've got a cover on it. The overhead looks good. And the back seat looks good. There's some mat. Got surface rust going around. But now nothing I can see that would be through or anything, or a big deal to stop. Like I said, it does have power brakes. It does have power steering. Horn doesn't work, don't feel like. But the heater does. Showing 55,816, which means I drove it a couple of 100 miles. Exhaust is not ridiculously loud. The only reason why the side pipes ain't hooked up is because they're so loud. And all the lights work on it. So I'll be posting this just a few minutes. Email you whenever you can view it. Thank you much.